I gotta burp so bad. I'm trying not to. Have you considered low dosage of THC oil? Huh. Thank you, Heartworks! Thank you so much. Thank you. That means a lot. Do you mean CBD oil? Because THC oil is the one. THC is the component in weed that gets you high, and CBD is the one that doesn't get you high. It has that sleepy aspect of hemp, but that one's okay and it's completely legal. I should get more CBD oil. It's just hella expensive. Resident Evil 4. What about Resident Evil 3? Outlast? Yeah, I've heard of that one. I gotta burp so bad. Please don't shame me. My tummy's being weird, champ, tonight. Thank you so much. Let me try to read this right. Regnit Eeg. Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't sub, so here's some money. So guys, I have some news. I have really good news. So, I just reached partnership. All the info to the person that's doing it. Hell yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for your donations. It's been rough. Like, I guess, like, since the world's trying to get back to normal, like, yeah, I'm being charged regularly again for things. Being an adult isn't fun. I am a huge lightweight. Huge. I gotta be careful. Chat is as degenerate as me. They really want me to burp right now. It would feel really good, honestly. That hiccup is caused from holding in my burp. Just burp? Ah, thank you, Pig. Welcome. Welcome. Burp. Alright. You guys are doing me a huge favor right now because I am uncomfy. I need to just burp. Alright. I'm gonna do it away from the mic because that's just pretty gross. It's just disgusting. Okay. Oh, that was weak. What the heck? Wait. That was so weak. No, don't clip it! Okay. I feel better. I feel like a freaking baby. Cause you know when babies cry, it's usually they have to burp. Like when there's nothing else that you could do, it's just one other option. Oh, that's so sweet, Stunning. Oh, thank you. If you meant that about this stream, it makes me happy. I am okay. I don't know, my body's been like really sensitive. Oh shit, I almost spilled water. My body's been really sensitive lately. No, Dead Kumo, that's hitting true degenerate mode. I don't think we're gonna do that. No. No. My god. Just give me a sec, guys. Chat just killed me. We're getting burpees to Mars. Wait. Who said anime girls don't burp? Huh? Who said that? Who said that? True, I could mute my mic. I might eat it again to burp because that was just embarrassing. No, it was so gross. What do you... No. It was nasty. Okay, I have to burp. We're muting the chat, okay? I just let out 4. And I'm happy none of you guys heard that. They were so gross. Oh my god. I muted because it's disgusting. You guys want me to just full on burp? Oh, he already reached the goal. Thank you guys. I don't... Okay, fine. If I have to do it again, I won't mute, okay? I know, it's just like... There's some people that I know that just really don't like it, and I guess I feel shamed, okay? I just feel freaking burp shamed. I'm just typing the old pie. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, chat. She just. Wait, Opie, can I read this? What you just sent me? You're not clashing. I miss you so much. Can I read to chat what you just asked of me? She said to me, I'm blushing. She said to me, "Burp for mommy." I love Opie. Thank you for bearing with me being such a degenerate. One really abusive boy. Okay, next time I promise I'm not gonna be lame. I'm not gonna be lame, okay? I'll actually do it. The burp just went away, guys. Like, I'm sorry. I can't force it out. It just literally disappeared. I'm sorry. Okay, I can't help it.